Hello guys, welcome to Career for Freshers YouTube channel. In this channel, you will get various job opportunity, internships, free courses, and course answer. So the guys, today we will see the job opportunity of Wipro company. Wipro providing the job opportunity for BE, BTech, and ME, MTech students. In this video, we will see the details of selection process, eligibility criteria, qualifications, last date to apply, and the recruitment process of this drive. So let's start. The job role of this company, the job role of this drive is project engineer. Qualifications are BE, BTech, ME, and MTech. The eligible batch for this drive are 2021 and 2022. Experience is freshers are eligible for the job. Salary is 3.5 lakh per annum. Job locations is pan India, anywhere in India. Drive location is completely online, and last date to apply for the job is today, that is 31 January. Next is about the company. Wipro Limited is an Indian multinational company headquartered in Bangalore. Its diverse business include FMGC, Lightning, Information Technology, and Consulting. The Fortune India 500 ranks it 29th largest India company by total revenue. The CEO of this company is Thierry Delaporte. Founder are EMH Hasham Premji, founded in 1997-94, 1945. Owner is Ajim Premji, headquartered in Bengaluru. Revenue is 75,000 Indian crore, and subsidiaries are Top Coder, MBPN Holding Private Limited. Job description is Wipro is hiring candidates for the project engineer role in Pan India. Qualifications are BTech, ME, MTech. All branches except fashion technology and textile engineering, agriculture, and food technology are eligible. 2021 and 2022 pass outs are eligible for the job. Only one backlog is allowed up to the upper stage. 60% or 6 CGPA or equivalent to for your university guidelines. 60% or more required for this job for 10th and 12th standards. Prepared skill are one deficit also allowed during the test phase. Maximum 3 year gap it's eligible. It's approved in education. You must be an indigenous citizen or have OCI card if you have passport from any other country. Next is selection process. Everyone who is eligible must go through the online survey below. Details below have been added for your reference. Uh, there is online test which has 3 phases: aptitude test, written communication test, and online programming test. Aptitude test includes aptitude, English, and logical reasoning. Duration of this is 45 minutes. Next is written communication test. In written communication test there is essay. 20 minutes are given in for written communication test. And next is online programming testing, 2 coding programs. Duration is 60 minutes. Candidates can choose any of the coding language for programs: Java, C, C++, or Python. Next is deadline for the application is 31 January 2022. Service agreements of 12 months, and if you want to switch the company or leave the company, then you need to pay 75,000 Indian rupees. Link of this job is given into a description. Please check the description and apply for the job. Thank you.